you are an adventurous person like myself, sometimes you just need to wake up one day, get on the road and explore new territories. In my quest to explore the lifestyles of the people in the villages nearby, I found myself at Sokore Guaso, a village near Quanta in the Akuapem North Municipality. I got there early morning, around 7 am, and the whole village was very quiet. First thing I met was a motorbike carrying 2 passengers from the village. As usual in every village, food is always the first thing to you. Look out for early morning. I saw this little girl and she looked pretty, but she refused to speak to me. I guess she was shy. This is a mersh from palm net, which is commonly used in the villages to set fire. Now look how village buildings are fenced. As I stood on one bridge in the afternoon, I saw this little boy and I wondered what he was doing all alone in the stream.
Then we do not be a Benny Banchi. Now, dear, nam, Nana Monsuni, almost saying, what you be that? Until we share number when you're number. That is a numerate. The fish on Banchi.
I asked him what he was doing, and he said he's trying to catch some fish.
I don't know what he's at the same.
I asked if he has caught some before, and he said yes. I asked him to show me what he uses to catch the fish, and he did.
Net. Okay. Hey, I can't let I will. One of whom said, what I do it.
I let you, but you go soon, never a cotton.
Your hands of Ottawa. What to meet you? I will emphasize.
Now he is going to show me where we can catch live crabs. I pray we get some. Unfortunately, we didn't get some. I guess I wasn't lucky.
But Okotobon was if you want one. What do Musashima? Not much or what? I am. Maybe I told her. But how maybe yes, you are.
I told him I want to taste the sweetest palm wine in the village, and that is where he is taking me. Looks somehow scary in the bush, but I must taste the palm wine.
We were there.
Oh, wait, what they wait? What did tomorrow? No more sugar. Oh, I'm saying, I know the balance. Now, I know, I'm the Tokora. No, that the best, Hannah is away, and son is a good.
And send out the application.
Yeah,
ah.
Angas.
Yeah. Nti ojane we den FM. Hama we.
Mama we. Efa.
This used to be a local factory for local wine processing, but currently abandoned.
Pana abefa no abegu. Nsana ngasa abegu. Abegu galo. Galo ni amano mesi.
Explaining the processes of the palm wine processing to me.
Nti sia de omo nye bi.
Se we u ba. Ahana sa bebe le du.
Asa.
We be tutunti. Abeno se.
Abeno we.
Ben ya fa kwa yesi kwa ni. Ya fa.
Baby answer funu won.
Yo.
Yankwe. Finally, we are here.
We first halai. If han I say we are to omu twitwa wa na ma beto ha. Na mama
He is explaining to me how the palm wine tappers managed to tap the juice out of the palm trees.
Tena what say? Han
was a pampro bi she. Tokuru we. Pampro chassis.
Nti FM. Nti e bank kitin.
The tappers insert a bamboo stick inside the palm tree where the juice drains through. This is really a time-taking process.
Okay, nti e bank kitin. Okay, I see. Wow. We wanna taste sweet palm wine. It's in there anyway. Anyway.
He tasted to see if indeed it is one of the sweetest. After confirming, he gave it to me to taste.
Oh.
Then we realized we didn't bring any cup. So what do we do now?
How are we gonna drink this, man? How are we gonna drink it?
He said he will go and search for a plastic bottle real quick. That sounds good though. Oh, he's back with one so soon. Now I can't wait to taste the juice.
When this is palm wine, we that here. That here, ananya.
Sa ubanoma. When ni na babu gwen. Fini na babu. O kata so den e be pai. Bottom be pai.
Okay. Let's me. Oh, nice.
Ooh, my goodness. This is the sweetest palm wine I have ever tasted in my whole life.
Wow. Tadi do. Ena wele. Amu bi, we di mi hu.
We.
Oh yeah.
Yo. Obo. Obo.
Ti ba ko kwense fu no mu bebre.
Ebu awowom.
Mebo.
And where I didn't tell me.
I asked him if I will get drunk and he said no, this is soft. I'm not good at alcohol. I'm going to take some home and put inside the fridge.
Mebo, you are abeno. Biabo ha enye de bo ede.
Yo, ebu enye de. Ebu se de. Na ta betin de ni na ye de.
Nti we abetin.
Yo.
fie. Ebi a we messing about me coffee me ba opedin.
What should I get for you next time I come here?
Can you hear then I'm ba ope?
I want a ball.
They want me. Baby, me ni mu ntimi kwa na obeka na me kwakọ hwehwe na mato aba. FIFA. Okay. FIFA ball.
I asked which brand.
FIFA.
And he
And
said
it's
FIFA.
Any yes no. Ntimi kwa me be FIFA ball. Okay. Right. Now I have my palm wine. It's a little bit, but it's okay. So just about the Bell Cola, but I couldn't get enough. But like he said, the sweeter ones do not come in number. Okay, I want to be in a demo. I want to make an.
You.
Okay. All right.
I could send the delay. Also, with me.